to tell you a story. When I was a young girl, I spent my summers at my grandparents' farm, and my favorite part were the animals. I spent all day playing with them, and at night, when my parents called me in for dinner, my heart was happy and full because I got to spend all day with the animals, and I loved them so much. So I would go inside and look forward to eating my salami sandwiches and my chicken noodle soup. And of course, I had no idea what that was or where it came from. My parents and my grandparents were just feeding that to me. It was one of our family favorites. I made no connection between my beloved, beautiful chickens running around in the yard and the dead chicken flesh in my soup. I was just a child. Nobody told me until one day I saw my grandmother chasing the chickens. She caught one, she took it over to this tree stump, she picked up an axe and hacked that poor chicken's head off. I was in absolute shock and tears started streaming down my face. She proceeded by ripping out all of its feathers, and I just stood there paralyzed. She told me we were having chicken noodle soup for dinner, and in that moment I knew that those little white pieces in my chicken noodle soup was the dead flesh of my beloved chickens. And that was the moment I stopped eating the chicken in my noodle soup. So people, make the connection. When you think of chickens, you probably have these lovely images in your mind. When in reality, this is the truth. Make the connection.